Hey guys, I'm esthetician Trish McCarty, and today I want to talk about the Avene Tolerance Recovery Cream. This has been a long-time favorite of mine. I don't use it as frequently anymore, as you may have seen in some of my older videos. I used to use this every day of my life until my skin changed and decided, hey, we're going to be combination to oily. And then I had to go back to the drawing board. But when I am more dry and irritated, typically from tretinoin, which is exactly what happened today. I'm going to insert a little video clip right here. See how dry and peely, irritated, angry my skin is. That's from using tretinoin the last few days after not using it but like a couple times a week for the longest time. And then I'm like, hey, what's the worst that could happen? I'm going to use it every single day for 3 days in a row. I even know better. And I do stuff like this to my skin. Mainly I was trying to clear up some acne and acne scarring and just wanted it gone, and this is what happens. Now my skin is super irritated. Let me get up close. I did just apply this to my face on so smooth. It just glides right on. A little goes a long way. It has been around forever. Only the packaging has changed here and there. But it is a sterile product. I love it with tretinoin use. So if you are someone who's trying to get your skin either used to tretinoin or another harsher retinol, glycolic, whatever, sometimes just pairing with a nice moisturizer will make all the difference. So what I like to do, put my tretinoin on, give it a minute, and then put a heavier moisturizer like so on top. Normally that would counteract any irritation, but I used a different moisturizer that typically does fine with my skin. It's just the fact that I did it 3 days in a row with a product that's more for combination to oily skin. It got a little mad. But as you can see, my skin looks nice and bright now. It's not as mad. It doesn't look like my skin's just flaking off. So if you have really dry, irritated skin, highly recommend this to have this around for those occasions. But if you are just dry all the time, it is a good daily moisturizer. Unless you are super oily or super prone to acne, then typically this is a little too thick. But I do like it for those occasions when I'm super dry otherwise. Let me know in the comments down below which Avene product is your favorite. I'm Team Avene. I have an Avene t-shirt. Sickle Fate is another great product to have when your skin gets irritated. I just realized my face looks red. That's because I made the mistake of having my little salt lamp behind me, and I don't want to refilm this, so you guys just have to deal with my red face. Thanks for watching.